Good morning, guys. It's a very gloomy Tuesday morning here in Imus, Cavite. It's raining, pero nalipay akong mga tanom kaya nauwanan. See, this is my favorite. Kay hinatag ni Mama Cons gikan sa Bohol. See? Ang butong saingan I don't know what's the name of this plant, but it's from Granny's garden. And I have here my banda. And this one, mata na siya. Also from Mama's garden. And I have here my cactus. I have so many cactus na tanog. It's raining. Kaandam na ba pamahaw ang tanan?